You know, a firmware update they promised they fixed. And sure enough, you still get back to the 1080p wide. You have to set your camera all back up. Way to go, DJI. It's showtime! Exercising. Snowman. A lot more. Everybody hangs out on the porches in the dark, and I walk in the dark. Oh man, it is what it is. You want a camera that makes you feel weaker? Get the DJI Osmo Action 4, because no one complains about how hard that shutter button is to press. Imagine sticking it up on your dashboard that you gotta reach out. And you're gonna ruin your shot because you gotta crank on down on your mount. You moved your camera and all that good stuff. Even better yet, the low-level light keeps coming on. It just becomes annoying when you got things like this in the camera. Don't get me wrong, I like my camera. It does a great job, does it all for me. The only thing I hate about my camera right now is I got this line that just comes across 3/4. It's almost like the lens protector. I don't know if it's going to be the problem or the actual lens and the sensor. There's something causing that issue. I say each time, fish, take it off, polish it up again, and see what happens in the next light. So I'm twisting and twisting and twisting. As you can see, my fingers in the way. Come on, fish. How many turns does it take to take off a lens protector? Now that sky in the background with the DPI of this screen don't look great. I don't look perfect. I am 4K 24 with the auto low light on, walking away from the light. Walk away from the light. I'll spit at it. I shined it up. And you're going back on, my bad boy. You got to go on. Because I'm not sure what light's gonna do to you. Do you still see that line that's right here? I see something right here, and I see this right here. Maybe the next camera. No matter what I do and I move, I don't know if there's a blur spot. Is it me? Or is I just seeing my imagination? Let me re-clean. Shh! Don't tell anybody that I'm putting you back on. Don't drop you. Get you on there. What happened? Why didn't you spin on? Spin? Oh, I'm not hitting the lens. I'm getting you on. Alright, there you are. I'm gripping you. Now I'm turning you on. Is it rotating around that issue? Oh yeah. You gotta crank down on this bad boy just enough that it don't let water in. And you gotta do it a lot, because if you don't, water will seep in through that lens. Oh, I'm on the light. It's never gonna get away this streak that comes down at you. Oh, you're being moved because I had to hit the stop. Well, let me tell you, DJI Mic 2, why are people saying it sounds so low? That the recording audio that it records is low, not to people's liking. And then I hear using a certain microphone, an ECM Mic 1, the little one, that was equivalent to the ceramic mic XM1. Well, DJI may not have the best mics in the world because they're not a mic company like Rode. Well, my mic too, nice. I'm not using it now, not on me. Maybe later. I don't know. I think I'm more like a person on the go. I grab you and on the go. And the reason for that is I don't want to be tied down, setting things up, and taking forever to do. And that's what's happening with my editing skills. It's taking me longer. I like to do things a little shorter sometimes. I've been using CapCut. Not all the time. Once in a while. And I just get driven crazy by that orange line. Always following me. Very annoying. Get rid of it. Stop it following wherever you put your mouse. I'm waiting on electronics, a motor, and ESC again. And that's it. I'm done. I had to take out my, while ago, like a long time ago, the fly light and use the RX, the ESC, but not the motor. Did a good job, man. Did a great flight. I don't know if I'm giving up on, flying, but to do it yourself, it's no more fun unless you get it right. And man, that Firebird build that I did was great. Yeah, but the problem is, man, it's just like the other ones. You gotta use a real small battery. You don't have to use a big battery. I think I got a 250 in there. Give me 15 minutes of run time. That's all I need. I headed out to a place called Price Club, Costco. Yeah, all sold out on batteries, man, just like that. Why? Because they didn't have a label. Label for the batteries are holding up my size. I'm going to go back again and go get a battery, put it in the car because I'm way beyond the boost time. Now I'm thinking I may need an alternator. So yeah, that'd be my not first alternator change because I changed an alternator back in 1977. Oh yeah, man, just right on top. Simple to do. Now I gotta go down in the mid of the car somewhere to go get one changed. I think I did a bad thing. I deleted my outro. Oh man, I gotta do it over again. I delete a lot of things lately. Sometimes in the editors that we have, right, that you could put all this in there and open up, do your video, save it. I think that's where I gotta go back again. Start to go back to Power Director 2024. I don't know. I think I gotta slow it down. Slow it down. Yeah, man, and just put my work in and take care of it and do things a little better. What was that? Did you hear that pop? The only way you can try it and not knock it is to do it. Do it, fish. Do it. Do it. Do it. Like that blue sky? Ain't blue yet. Still dark out. Well, I said a lot, I did a lot, and I talked a lot, and I shared more than a lot. And on that note, I'm going to catch you on another video. Many more to come. Have a great day. I'm Fish, and you know who I am.